Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, happy to to all my lovely viewers. So today I'm gonna show you how you make a perfect winged eyeliner. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here I'm using Blue Heaven liquid liners. Make the first line. Using liquid eyeliner, draw a line across the upper eyelid, following the natural curve of your upper lash line from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner of your eye. Now draw a short thin line from the outer corner of the eyes, extending the natural curve of your lower lash line to your desired length and continuing to parallel the first line you made. Now that you have your outline, fill the gaps with more eyeliner. If you guys like this video, then please hit the like button, do share, do comment, and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. Thanks for the watching. Love you all. Mwah.